Welcome back to the channel. We are currently away for the weekend. Kat is planning this trip, and so far...
Don't you be horrible to me.
I'm just updating the viewers. The first place we stopped off at...
Cold in heaven!
Do you mind? The first place we stopped off at, she's pulled a Nathan and it's actually shut. The second location we tried, we had to circle back. Fuck's sake. Can you... I'm trying to... Second place we tried stopping off at, we had to circle back to go to, and we stumbled on the filming set for the season 4 of The Witcher.
The bloke said don't tell anyone.
By the time this goes out, it'll be done. We've already got quite a big day to do today, and this is just delaying things further, which is great. We are currently in the Forest of Dean, heading towards the Brecon Beacons. Say hello to everyone. Are you enjoying being team leader?
I've regretted it since the moment I suggested it.
We're not swearing this trip either. You.
Right, where are we?
There's something else up here. We got the King Arthur.
We got that.
Oh, sorry. It's a secret. Get what's your bad.
Me. Sorry.
We're not supposed to be swearing on this one. We're trialling new things out. We had a pig of a ride up here last night as well. We didn't get to Gloucester until half 11 at night, and got caught. When there's two bits of your audio, it's really bad.
Hi Drew, how's it going?
Can you piss off?
Shall we all sing in different notes?
Hello.
Hello. Duck races. Yeah. All I had was duck brains, right? And then I was off on a little tangent.
Go to the Yellow Duck Race. It's on Sunday. They're racing ducks through the village.
Can we just talk back?
No. Can you all go away and shut up whilst I'm talking to the camera, please? I'll check in with you later. This is...
Come on then.
We've been here for 12 hours and everyone's already driving me out the wall. Hey. Listen, I take this very seriously. I take it very seriously, this YouTube lark, and you laughing at this isn't helping. Yeah, that old. This thing is fucking annoying. Right, we are. What one's this? We are apparently about to go to King Arthur's Cave. This may be the first part of Cat's trip is going to according to plan. We just got to hope it's down here. So, Kat has planned this entire trip. She is officially team leader. So far, the first two attractions we turned up to do a little walk around have been shut. We are also trialling a new thing. We're going to try and not swear as much. Now, I don't know how long this is going to last for. I'm going to be bleeping over it. This will not be the case forever. I'm just trialling some new things. But if you come here for the swearing, which I doubt you do, but I can't help it, it's how I express myself. You're going to have to put up with a bit of bleeping here and there. Is that it? Is that the cave?
I don't know, but I'm going in it.
Is this actually it?
No.
I know, I think there's...
If this is it, I'm going to take a wee in Arthur's Cave.
I don't know, we'll finish the rest of the
How you finding being team leader, Kat?
I don't like it.
Kat? Our team leader? You can't leave us. You're a team leader.
I don't think that's King Arthur's Cave.
No, it's going to be down
Back in the day, if
You
someone
can't fit a round table in that.
went up to the king and was like, "I found you a cave," they get beheaded.
That's more.
We're getting more cave.
That's more cave-like.
Yeah.
This is making such good content. Can't see if I can see.
Oh, this is a bit. Oh. It's a bit weird.
Oh yeah, this is
Hello, mate.
not for the claustrophobes, is it?
No, it's not. How far can we go?
Maybe keep your head down, Cat.
Why?
There's a big spider there.
Oh, where? Oh, hello, sweetheart. That's a pretty cool spider. Don't look if you've got arachnophobia. She's a beaut. Nathan, there's something for me to climb. We're in trouble. Oh, these spiders are everywhere. There's another one up here. They love it.
Oh fuck yeah, that's a big one.
Whoa. Okay, maybe I'm not climbing.
Oh.
I like spiders, but I don't like them that much. Don't touch the walls, guys.
I swear to God, if we leave this cave and you find one on my shoulder, you're going to hear the highest pitched scream.
That was a good viewing experience for you, wasn't it? Nice dark cave.
That's a spiral.
Looks like a spiral to me. It's down in the middle, Gat.
And we have our sacrifice.
You picked the bloody route, sweetheart! Right, we're on this for 8.5 miles. Has anyone gutted about that as much as I am? Last time Cat does the route.
Oh, my ears popping.
Well, apparently this is Arthur's sword and a stone. There better be a bloody sword here. To be fair, it did just say Arthur's stone, didn't it?
Yeah.
And you just assumed there's going to be a sword there, didn't you?
Well, we're going to look for the sword. We might not have discovered it yet.
I don't think there's going to be a sword.
Yeah, might be.
I don't think there will.
Positivity.
There's no sword.
Because it's his tomb, mate.
What?
It's a tomb.
Guess how old it is without overhearing our conversation.
Yeah.
How old who is?
How old do you think this is?
This or Arthur?
This.
700 years.
700?
1200 years.
5,000 years.
5,000.
Is Arthur actually buried here? Why is no one talking to me?
You wouldn't have been
You're asking questions, I don't know.
Oh, I thought you read it.
We didn't see.
You're supposed to read it in children.
Yeah.
You just have to read it.
According to legend, he slew a giant. Why legends just lies?
Weren't they all like 4 foot though back then?
Yeah, no.
So maybe like some 7 foot geezer just turned up.
Just started.
It's like, "Oi, I'm not doing very good, but it's no swearing.
It was here that Arthur slew a giant who left the impression of his elbows on one of the stones as he fell. Can you see it?
That's a bit bigger than a 7 foot.
Yeah,
That's a bit bigger than a 7 foot elbow. I believe we are now heading towards the Brecon Beacons, and our next stop should be Gospel Path. Right, we're halfway through Gospel Pass, coming down the end of it, through the Brecon Beacons, and then I believe we're doing the Top Gear route, which none of us really know what it is. We're doing half of the Top Gear route, aren't we? We're doing all of it. Doing all of it, and then on...
All of it but the Black Mountain Path.
So doing all of Brecon Beacons, but we're coming back on Sunday? To do the Black Mountain Pass. So yeah, let's get back on the road.
Not again.
Well, I think this is the Top Gear route. The B4 500 in Wales at Brecon Beacons. Look at it. Oh, bloody glorious. This don't look like a pub, no? Yeah, I bet it wasn't the hub you was expecting either, mate. No, having trouble. Alright, we've made it. There were some very nice roads at the end. Don't know where we are. About 170 miles today, about 5 hours worth of riding. It's all good. It's 6 o'clock now. So hopefully we can find somewhere with a couple of ciders. So Nathan's checking us in with the B&B. We'll unload and figure out what's next. How's your first day being team leader, Kat?
I'm not a fan of this team leader bullshit.
No?
No. No, I just like to
Great power comes great responsibility.
ask for it. I just wanted to see some trees.
Yeah, Did you like the Forest of Dean? That's the whole reason why we came here in the first place. Did you like it?
I liked the Forest of Dean.
Yeah.
Would I recommend the Forest of Dean? I mean, like, the trees were pretty. They were a little bit older, but they're not like some of the other forests we've seen. We just heard lots about it, so we wanted to see what it was about. And
To check it off your list.
But then we didn't go for a walk or anything. So
They were too busy filming The Witcher season 4.
you promised that man
What?
that you wouldn't tell.
Don't tell anyone. What, Mum? Yeah. What?